Hey, it's New Mexico attorney Nadia Cabrera-Mazio with Honest Contracts, LLC. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and joining our monthly newsletter linked below. Should you register your small business in Delaware, regardless of what other state you're in? I've gotten this question several times and I understand where the thinking is. A lot of corporations, especially very big famous ones, are registered in Delaware. And Delaware is known for having business-friendly law and relatively low taxes and fees. The short answer is probably not. You probably do not want to register your small business in Delaware if you're in another state. The main reason why big corporations love registering in Delaware is because Delaware has a specific court fully dedicated to business law matters. It's called the Court of Chancery, and it's over 200 years old. So for big corporations that are doing business in every single state and even internationally, it makes a lot of sense to have one legal hub and one court dedicated to solving those business disputes. Another big draw for corporations who want to register in Delaware is that Delaware has relatively low taxes and fees. However, compared to New Mexico actually wins out. New Mexico has very low fees and taxes for businesses. And in the blog post that I wrote about this subject, linked to below, there's a table demonstrating the difference of how New Mexico and Delaware compare in terms of business fees and taxes. But really the main reason why it probably won't serve you to register your small business in Delaware if you're in another state, especially New Mexico, is that you're going to have to register in your state anyway. So even if you registered in Delaware, you have to register in every state that you're actually doing business in, whether it's a primary registration or registering as a foreign entity, which means just out of state. So you'd essentially be paying double fees and double taxes, depending on the situation. For a small business, especially one in New Mexico, it does not make sense to register your business in Delaware. Just go ahead and register in New Mexico.